Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to do sales calls. Now, out of all of the outreach methods out there, to be honest with you guys, I've had the most success with actually picking up the phone and calling people. And I've seen a lot of videos, a lot of gurus talk about this, but to be honest with you guys, the only way to actually get better is to pick up the phone and call 500 people. If you're willing to do that, you're going to get better no matter what the level you are at right now. A couple of tips, there are some filler words that I feel like everybody uses on a daily basis. And that kind of programs your brain to keep using those words, even when you're doing something professional, like sales calls, you're trying to sell something. So the word or like those awkward pauses, I feel like oftentimes that's what gets me nervous. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't even been doing this long enough. I've just done maybe close to like 1,000 or so sales calls. But I feel like since I'm new to this and I'm learning, it might be the best way to share this information with you guys. So one of the biggest tips that's actually helped me out is say each individual word and actually say it separately. Because oftentimes when we're talking, like for example, if I was to talk like, hey guys, what's going on? My name is Sam and I talk about sales calls. It's weird, but if I said it in a more concise way, hey guys, my name is Sam and I will be talking to you guys about sales calls. So if I break those words down and actually say the actual word, I just feel like it sounds a lot better. It sounds that much better, right? And you're not talking to a friend. You're talking to a complete stranger and you're trying to sell them something. So you can't sound too salesy, like 100%. That's not what I'm trying to get to. But I definitely feel like you can kind of at least sound professional or semi-professional, right? I think that's a term I invented right now. But yeah, basically my experience with cold calls has been great, to be honest. I feel like I'm getting more bookings through that rather than SMS or email outreach. Yet again, I haven't been doing it long enough. So anyways, guys, small little video. I think this is the best method. So pick up the phone, do 500 sales calls. That's going to be better than any course you buy out there, any tip that you get from anybody out there. The best tip is, honestly, pick up the phone, dial your prospects, call them. Call as many as you can. And again, one of the things that I've noticed, people say that they get nervous on sales calls, and that's totally understandable. You're talking to somebody you've never spoken to before and you're pitching them. You're asking them for money in exchange for your service or product, whatever. So yes, it's going to be nerve-wracking for sure. But you can make it better by practicing more. So pick up the phone and keep calling. And here's how I like to think before every sales calls. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? So the number one worst thing that could happen on this call is they tell you, oh, don't ever call me again, and they, swear at you or something. The best thing that could happen is you actually close a deal, you close a client, right? So take these two things into consideration next time you're on a phone call. And just remember, time is only going to make you better. Even though I've only done about 1,000 cold calls where I actually spoke to people, I've only done 1,000. But if I compare myself day one to now, it's completely different, right? So anyways, I hope this helped you guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting more videos. I'm just starting out a business agency model. But yeah, I'm going to be posting more videos for you guys, and hopefully you guys subscribe. Bye-bye.